Hi everyone. Today I want to share my opinions about being a programmer. First type, born to be a programmer. They are really interested in IT from the early stages. Most of them are antisocial. They often hang out at home. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that they don't have girlfriends. It is actually not difficult to get a girlfriend, but they often don't have time for girlfriends. Besides of the fact that at college or school, most of the programmers are male. They exactly know what they should become if they are grown up. Probably something with engineering. They enjoy to develop a program and they are strongly problem solvers. Most of them can already code and wrote their first software before they have studied. Second type, became a programmer. They are social people. They often hang out with friends and mostly outside, not at home. Most of them have at least a girlfriend. They might like to play games but don't care about IT in general. For instance, how is a game made? They don't have any clue what they should study. They decided to study software engineering because they figured out that it is one of the best paid jobs and it provides a wide future. There is not too much passion to see, but it will grow with times. Me. I have been a professional software engineer for almost 10 years. In that 10 years I worked in large and small companies and learned so much. But since my childhood I always had a keen interest in programming. When I got gadgets, mostly electronic parts, I was always curious about the inside. So I can remember, as I got my first gaming console, I assembled it apart and wanted to learn how it actually was working. At that days, I really didn't know much about programming. But to develop something new or experiment with it, that always passionated me. It has grown my passion about engineering. Another inspiration were games. After being weekly at home in the holidays and playing games with my cousins, I had the stupid idea and wanted to develop my own game. After the secondary school, I wanted to do an apprenticeship. So I wrote more than 80 applications and I received 80 rejections. I had nothing to do for 1 whole year and my dad picked me and I worked for him as a pizza baker in his restaurant. In that time, I didn't give up and searched for other possibilities to do an apprenticeship, so I passed the exams for technical high school. I would say I was born to be a programmer. So, what about you? What kind of a programmer are you? I'm not saying that one type is better than the other one. I'm saying, depending on my experiences, there are and will be always two types of programmer in this industry. To sum up the whole story, I would say the biggest difference is the passion. So, could you say me what kind of programmer are you? Or wanna be?